To go. Members of the press, karibuni sana. Tuna taarifa ambayo iko na umuhimu kwa nchi yetu na sisi kama wanaazimio, ambayo itasomwa na ndugu yetu Jeremiah Kioni, katibu mkuu wa chama cha Jubilee. Tulikuwa pia na wenzetu hapa ambao wamepeana apology because like leader of the Roots Party, Professor Jakoya has had to leave for some funerals in Western. Brother Peter Munya, party leader of PNU, was also here. In fact, I think PNU have also issued a statement. And so, before Honorable Kioni makes reads the statement, allow me to empathize with the media fraternity. We saw you demonstrating and saying, don't shoot the messenger. Mungeongeza, mutaanguka nayo. So we are all together in this. We're in one country, one indivisible nation called Kenya, which is our homeland. And when the existence of the nation is threatened, we have a duty as citizens to get together. So Honorable Kioni, but I also want to recognize the presence heavily of members of WIPA Democratic Movement. They were expressing concerns since yesterday about what was happening, and they themselves do form a very critical team in their thinking and interactions with their colleagues in the National Assembly, led by Honorable Robert Mbui, member for Kathiani, who is the Deputy Minority Leader in the National Assembly. So we appreciate you, Ashmiwa. And I know that others have been also caucusing. At a time like this, people get together and exchange ideas. And so I thank you. Honorable Kioni, you have the floor. Or is it you have the podium? The podium.
The podium.
Oh, I forgot to recognize the Deputy Minority Leader in the Senate, Senator for Kitui.
Haya, asante sana. Tutasoma huu ujumbe. A statement by the Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Party. As Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Party, we note that Ruto has nominated the top leadership of one of our constituent parties, ODM, to his cabinet. With this move, he has attempted to destroy multi-party democracy and seize control of the parliamentary system. Additionally, Ruto is working to silence the voices of the opposition, both inside and outside of parliament. Ruto's continued cannibalization of political parties. He's done this to Jubilee in the past. He's now doing it to ODM. Goes against the letter and spirit of the Constitution of Kenya. It also offends the NADICO report, the National Dialogue Committee report. We believe that Ruto is an existential threat to our democracy and must be resisted, even as we say Ruto must go. Kenyans desire genuine reforms, sound leadership and openness in the administration of public affairs. Cosmetic procedures and incompetence recycling of Ruto by Ruto will not help in any way. Number 5, we reiterate that we will neither support nor take part in the proposed broad-based government of national unity. We believe that it is the greatest betrayal of Kenyans, and especially Gen Zs and the millennials. There were over 60 young Kenyans and the other 75 who are exercising their constitutional right at Article 37 to peacefully assemble, demonstrate and picket, were shot and killed by police using live bullets under the command of Nairobi police boss Adamson Bugey. Hundreds more suffer from permanent damaged bodies as a result of police violence, including unlawful abductions and kidnappings. Let us make it clear that any person joining Ruto's regime has in effect endorsed the killing, maiming, abductions, and torture of innocent Kenyans. Let it be known that those members who have accepted their nomination to join Ruto's cabinet are doing so in their individual capacities. As a coalition, we affirm our commitment to stand against the injustices and the police brutality. We demand the arrest and prosecution of all officers who shot and killed the Gen Z's protesters. To all Kenyans, especially the young Kenyans out there, we want to assure you that all is not lost. Let us keep our hope alive and fight for what we believe in. We ask all who oppose the Kenya Kwanza's bad governance, bad governance to continue standing together and firmly so that there is light, and because there is light at the end of the tunnel. We'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our leader, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, who has led our coalition successfully since its formation. We know that the